Okay. So let's start our journey from the spring itself. Okay. Last time we understood about the purpose of the spring and how we need to use and all. Correct? Why and all. Correct na? Sajid, am I audible? Hello.
Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, audible no? Can you hear me? I think there is some network issue from your side or what? From my side. Hello?
Don't think so. Um, Microphone. And
Okay.
now, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, it's good now.
Okay.
So you're staying in India or outside? What is that?
I I'm from Mumbai only.
Mumbai?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's start now. So okay. So I'm just starting last where just we left. We just starting from there, na? The purpose
Okay.
of the spring and why we need. So now we'll do uh, we'll start working on the spring and understanding the spring core functionality and all. Then we slowly gradually will move to spring boot. Then we start understanding the spring boot and all. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So just one thing.
Saurabh, will I get the recording?
Yeah, yeah, I just recording
Oh,
now, so don't be worried.
okay. Okay.
Don't be
Okay.
worried. I'll be just sharing everything, even notes,
Okay.
code base, everything. Don't be worried.
Okay.
Okay. So what I was supposed to say, huh? So you understood about the what was your requirement for the syllabus actually? Just
Uh,
give me what you wanted to
Saurabh,
learn.
before starting, can we make our timing schedule?
Yeah, correct, yeah. Actually, see, timing what I feel for my comfort now,
Hmm.
timing is on 4 4 to 6. Saturday Sunday is okay.
Okay.
For because I have
What?
other things as well running na parallelly.
Okay. But it should not be extend to
No, no, don't be worried.
more than
100%. 4 to 6. Okay,
4 to 6.
4 to 6.
Okay, I
Saturdays.
don't have any issue. So
Ah,
I will connect every weekend 4 to 6, right?
exactly, exactly. But
Should not be exceed from four to more than four.
no,
Okay.
no, no, exactly. Right time. Maybe 1 2 minutes here and there, max to max.
Okay.
99% 4. Just
Okay.
forget about the today. Today I was stuck in a traffic. Still I have to go. After I guess 5:30. I need to go again to catch something else. Catch up.
Okay. No problem.
Hmm.
No problem.
So I'm just see weekend. I was not occupied for this time. Na? Suddenly he said, "What is his name? I'm just forgetting. Our company owner. This name I'm just forgetting.
Okay. So you are a part timer in this
Yeah, yeah. I'm
teaching.
I'm there. I'm already working actually. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm associated with the Roshan now. So I'm
Okay.
just giving a couple of trainings on the Java, Spring,
Okay.
and all those with the Roshan only. Roshan,
Okay.
I don't know Roshan. I am not in 100% in teaching. In the
Okay.
sense,
It's like part time faculty only,
yeah,
right?
correct. So I admire him since long. He's quite good nature as well. So I associated with him since long. So
Okay.
just for hobby, I'm just want to explore new thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
See,
It's good.
suppose if you tell someone, maybe I get something from you as well. So it's
Yeah.
good.
Absolutely.
So it's good. It's part of. See, IT is all about learning, man. So,
Yeah. Absolutely.
so definitely. Okay. So I was just saying something. I just forget. Yeah. So see, actually, after today's session,
Mm-hmm.
there is one catch actually. What is like next weekend I'm going hometown. Okay,
Okay.
and then next weekend means 30 it will be na.
Mm-hmm.
So probably we'll resume I guess after 10th,
30 in the sense.
30th. I'm just saying 30th June.
So it will be after 15 days, not the next week.
Yeah, I think I'll here. Let me see. Month July. Okay. So yeah, if I resume by 11, is it okay for
Mm-hmm.
you after today?
After today,
Hmm.
11.
Hmm.
So for how many days you are going?
I'm going actually hometown. Yeah, actually, you may say this weekend I'll be there in hometown.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and after that I have some. Actually, I just brought one apartment, so I need to shifting everything there. So I'm rushing all those things here and there for
Okay.
this
So
paperwork and everything, banking and all those.
Okay,
So, mm,
so you'll take a class on 20th and 21st, right?
20 and 20 actually I will be traveling. Let me see. Okay, 20. Okay,
And
we'll do.
21st.
Acha, I'll do from home. No issue. I'll do from hometown. If my network strength will be good, I'll do it. Na? So don't be worried.
Oh,
That is
okay.
Saturday, na?
Yeah.
Okay, Saturday. Okay, I'll plan. But make sure like after 10th, it will be 100% on a rhythm. But here, if I free, I'll update you. Na? Maybe one
Okay.
or 2 days. Maybe in that period, 2 days maybe or 1 days, I'll take the classes. So don't be worried.
Okay.
After 10th, whatever I'll be there, it will be like 100% with you. Huh?
Okay.
So is there any rush for you, or just or no rush, or just you want to learn, or what is
No,
that?
there should not be break in in classes. I just want,
Exactly. I also want it.
because if
Yeah.
we
Right.
bring
100%. I
break in the flow, if we
exactly.
bring break in the flow,
Yeah,
then
yeah. Nobody will like. Even I don't like. 100%
yeah.
right. 100% right. That is fine. I admire. But in that period, na, just be aware, because I openly I'm just saying you whatever is coming my mind. I'm just saying it is this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, na?
Okay.
Mm. Okay. So we start now. All okay.
Okay.
And weekdays as you said. So I'm not 100% sure, but in a month I'll try to do, because see,
No, no, leave it about the weekdays.
no worries. If I available na, I'll message you 1 to 1
But
days.
I won't be available. Na, that is the point.
Oh, that is good then, because I was rushing for you.
No,
Maybe.
no, don't rush for me.
Hmm.
Just spare time on weekends only.
Okay, good then. Okay, good then. So, okay, now you tell me what you want to learn. Just your perspective, because it's
Based on the module only, we can start.
sorry.
Based on the core module which you have shared with me, we can start from there.
Okay, no. What I'm just saying, what is your perspective to learn in a spring? Till what you want to learn, what you want to after this course, how many content you want to learn from spring, what you want to learn, which I'm just wanted to understand.
Show me the structure of syllabus.
1 second, it's the lectures. I just kept somewhere else. I shared with the Roshan maybe. Let me share with the Roshan. Some file I shared with you. I think this was there. No, I think new prepare. It was new syllabus. I think for him. Let me. Maybe I keep somewhere. Where I keep inside lectures. I think this. Okay. Okay, I think same. Okay. So this was actually syllabus for us to start the spring, but I see what I understood, like you wanted to understand about the microservices
Yeah.
and na.
So do one thing. Start with the module second first, and then in between we can cover the core Java
Yeah, no, core
refreshers.
Java I'm not going. Core Java, don't be worried, because you already know I'm not going in that. So if you stuck somewhere, parallelly will do. So don't be worried.
Okay, no problem.
Don't
So
be worried.
start with the core string architecture and dependency
Correct,
injection.
correct. Okay, so what I just saying. Okay, so after this, suppose I'm just showing once again the modules. You tell me where I'm just lagging, and what you want to add, what you want to remove. Okay.
Okay.
So see, this is the fundamentals for the core Spring. Here we understand the Spring core without
Mm-hmm.
boot. Okay, boot is
Mm-hmm.
different, Spring is different. As I told you that day, I'll explain you more in details what is two different things. So for now you understand, Spring will cover Spring core, then we'll move to Spring boot. Okay.
Okay.
Then Spring MVC, we understand the MVC as well. Okay. How
Mm-hmm.
we can use for the web framework, not much, just for the understanding and the base understanding for the how we can create the REST API with help of Spring MVC, that we understand. Then for
Okay.
database we use JDBC. So
Okay.
Spring JDBC properly, then we'll move to JPA. Correct.
Okay.
And here security, I think here it's not mentioned. Auth, we'll cover auth as well. Auth 2. Okay. OAuth 2, JW2 and OAuth 2, and basic security. Correct.
Okay.
And as it is here microservices, and here I will try to add those things, Dockers and Kubernetes as well. Okay, till here. our Spring and microservices will be wrapped.
Okay.
Okay, so here these all things, if you say containerization, it will come here only. Once we start developing all those things, we'll understand here. Okay, but my question is like, are you interested learning this much as well, Spring AI?
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
this I need to talk with the Roshan, because this may take time. So that's why I'm just thinking it may take again 1.5 and 2 months. So Spring is broad, man. You need to spend time. See, ultimately, don't rush for the Spring. Spring is time taking. So
Okay.
overall Spring, if you want to spend, I think just for Spring microservices and AI and all,
Mm-hmm.
most probably, as per my perspective, 5 months will be needed, as I told you earlier as well. Okay,
Okay.
but till here we can wrap by 3 months or 3.5 months.
Okay.
Okay, so that I just wanted. If you want to understand this as well, maybe need to update to Roshan, or we need to see what we can do.
Okay.
Okay, and some project also we need to implement that we did
Mm-hmm.
not add. So again, it will be taking time. Authentication, see, some projects they will see authentication kind of things here we can implement with the securities, that we can say. But e-commerce
Okay.
backend and all, it will take a time. Again, you may
Okay.
say, so properly if you do till payment gateways and everything understanding,
Mm-hmm.
so obviously it will take again, you may say, probably I feel 4 months. Okay,
Okay.
so 3.5 months the minimum it will take.
Okay.
Okay, so that is my understanding, which I just showed you. If you feel anything to be added or anything to be removed or I missed anything, feel free to. We are just friends. Don't be worried. Either I am just
Okay.
learning, you learning. Don't be worried. We are. If I mistake, point out. If you mistake, so don't be worried.
Okay.
Keep on like this. So don't be worried. I am not teacher. You are not a student. Just be friendly.
Okay.
Okay.
You're based from which location?
My hometown.
Yeah.
I am from the UP, Allahabad.
Allahabad.
Yeah.
So right now you're in Allahabad only.
No, no. Right now I am in Gurgaon, and my
Gurgaon.
yeah, Gurgaon,
Okay.
and frequently visiting sometimes, like month depends on month is as well. Sometimes office, I have different location of the office now. So sometimes I need to visit for 1 month in Bangalore. Sometimes like this
Okay.
depends on the team structures and sometimes with the meetings and all those.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So this is our understanding for the Spring. We'll start now. Fine. Now?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's jump to Spring. As I told you, there is two things. First one is Spring, second one is Spring Boot. Okay. So not only
Mm-hmm.
Spring, if you see here the projects, as I told you that day only, Spring has multiple projects. Spring Boot, Spring Framework, Cloud, AI, and all those things. Correct? So Spring Boot
Okay.
is one of separate project for it. Okay, and how it is
Mm-hmm.
difference, how it is difference with the Spring, we'll see parallelly, we'll see the step by step. Okay, now that day you are saying ki we need to start some practically, so today completely we'll do practically, so don't be worried. Without practically we cannot do anything. Just see,
Okay.
notes we are taking just for the reference ki if we miss something, we note down yeah, this topic, after this topic we need to be, then that is for the notes. And the without coding, yeah, you are, you've been in industry. Okay, so without coding, nothing will be able, so don't be in that, coding is not needed. So I'm just creating one project, my one project.
Okay. Okay.
So I'm just keeping inside the lectures, going here. So I'll create a new folder, that is for the backend, July. Oh, I need to create here. Okay, so I'm just creating a simple Maven project. I'm just creating a name, maybe Spring base. Correct?
Okay.
Simply just created a. Still, I'm not starting Spring Boot. I'm starting more about the core, and this is one of the interview
Okay.
question. People will, without understanding this, it's not good to. Otherwise, we can start a Spring Boot, but it's not good. So always
Okay.
go for the understanding the logic. See, this is the simple Maven application. Correct? And before of this as well, if you know about the Java, we can
Mm-hmm.
create like normal two files as there, Java and class files as well. Correct? So
Okay.
editor help us automatically create those two files. That is the purpose of the editor in Java only. Okay,
Okay.
just clubbed everything in a single buttons. You may see single jar file, single buttons, and all those things. Okay, so that is why you use editor. Any editor you can use: Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ, Eclipse,
Mm-hmm.
anything. The purpose of editor just for the bundle everything and on the go one shot we can wrap. So I'm just starting now. See how we can connect with the Spring now. As simple. See, this is POM file. Correct. This is our dependency manager. If you understood, this is our dependency
Yeah.
manager. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So where we are, correct na? So this is our pom.xml. See, there is two
Okay.
kind of dependency manager used in Java ecosystem. Okay. One is Gradle, one is
Mm-hmm.
Maven. Okay. If you know
What
about,
is the difference between Gradle and Maven?
correct. So see, this is the dependency manager all about. The Gradle, the internal of the Gradle is much more. People are saying is much more faster, and you may say there is multiple packages used to be early in the days by Mavens. Now Gradle made it like much more easier. Okay, but people is still like, see, Maven is still old version, but was legacy version, but still people are
Mm-hmm.
using it because it's more developer friendly. Okay, so that is why
Okay. And Gradle is not developer friendly.
it's developer friendly nowadays. People is not used to now. They are trying to adopt all those things. Okay,
So, but
because
Gradle is not used by most of the developer, right?
exactly, means now
So
people
why
is
is it no?
now people started understanding. See now the same thing, the Kotlin and Java. Okay,
Yeah.
early nowadays Java was there, and people there was no Kotlin. People used to this,
Mm-hmm.
and again that if you just compare na times and everything, so Kotlin is
Mm-hmm.
quite faster, obvious. But if you
Okay.
see the support system for the Java, the developer, how many developers are there? Matlab, see, ultimately, if you use anything, the support system should be good. Suppose if I buy
Okay.
any machine, suppose I buy
Okay.
any TV or any washing machine, the company which give the after sale support, I'll just try
Mm-hmm.
to prefer that one only. Not
For that purpose, people
exactly.
prefer to use Java instead of using Kotlin
Correct. Ultimately, if
just
you
because it gives support.
exactly. Ultimately, this is the
Sim-
100%. Otherwise, different. They see there is a lot more differences. It's like obvious Kotlin is a new and Oracle already modified all those things, so it is quite faster. Kotlin is quite faster. Dependency is quite it not handle multiple bundles and all, quite faster. But ecosystem is good for the Java. People are
Okay.
since long, that is developer friendly. People are used. See, for client it does not matter what we are doing. For client they
Okay.
just need ki my things should be work. Okay, but
Okay.
whatever we as a
Similar.
mm,
Similar in case of Gradle and Maven,
exactly,
right?
exactly, but they exactly
Gradle, Gradle is faster compared to Maven,
exactly.
but Maven is user friendly, right?
Ah, this is the major
Okay.
difference, correct. So almost like same differences. Okay,
Okay.
so okay, now I'm just here, I'm just we are using, see here, if you go, I'll just give you one shot here so you understand. Now Spring, there is a website, if you know about Spring Initializer, correct.
Mm-hmm.
To create the website here, if you see, there is two kind of dependencies there. You see here, there is two kind of Gradle and
Gradle,
Maven,
Groovy, and Gradle.
correct. And here see Kotlin as
Mm-hmm.
well and Java as well. Okay,
Okay.
see these Maven, Groovy, and Gradle. These all kind of, you must say, see here it's made Groovy. Okay, Groovy is not only dependency manager; it's language as well.
Okay.
Groovy has a support for a dependency manager as well. It all comes as
o-
a Java ecosystem.
Okay.
It all has
It,
like
in fact, Kotlin is also a
yeah, correct,
language
language. Kotlin is also language.
as a, as well as a dependency manager.
Ah, correct. No, no,
Okay.
no, no, no. Kotlin is not dependency manager. Kotlin is just a language. Gradle inbuilt using Kotlin. Gradle is using
Okay.
Groovy.
Okay. Okay.
Ah,
So Gradle and Maven both are dependency manager,
right.
and Java, Kotlin, and Groovy, these are the languages, right?
Exactly. Correct. Right.
Okay.
Okay. So now we can create two differences. And here, if you see below as well, that we'll learn later as well. Properties file. Once we start the Spring Boot, na, we'll understand this property
Mm-hmm.
file. But see, two ways is property file as well. YAML and properties. Okay, that
Okay.
for now I'm not
Mm-hmm.
going in that detail, but for now you see there is two way to, here we can set the configuration na? Now
Yeah,
just
but
came in.
as per the standard format, what should we use? Use property or YML5 for
See when
configuration?
exactly.
Because why both option is given,
Yeah, right.
in
I'll
the
I'll tell you.
architecture.
Correct. I'll tell you. See, earlier days, property was there.
Mm-hmm.
Application or property. Okay.
Yeah.
And now YAML is there. Why YAML came? Why YAML came? Since the microservices start now, like Docker,
Mm-hmm.
Kubernetes, a lot. It is
Okay.
most like .yaml format.
Okay.
Okay.
Got the point. Okay.
So
Thank
that
you.
that is that is so that is more like YAML format. So
Okay.
now people trying to adopt this as well. Ki
Mm-hmm.
let's create in our application property in YAML form.
Okay.
Okay, so that DevOps can understand. We as a see DevOps does not know properties file. DevOps people always know YAML file to
Okay.
configure. Okay, so make everything on a same page. We are
Mm-hmm.
using this kind of things.
Okay.
Okay, there is no differences. See, ground level, lot of things is differences, but overall, this we just make it. Ki, हाँ, this is assumption. We things like this. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Now let's start understanding the our Spring framework. Correct. So here, if you see, where is it? Here if you see, I am just using now POM. Okay, POM.xml as a Maven dependency, and here if you see Maven, if you see the life cycle, if you know about the life cycle app Maven,
No, I don't know.
okay, so Maven has different life cycles, multiple phases, total 7 life cycles. Okay,
Okay.
clean, build, compile, test, package, verify, install.
Okay.
So I'll tell you the shortcut to understand.
Okay.
If you do Maven, the command is ambient.
Mm-hmm. Ambient.
If I do ambient clean, it will just remove the cache from the project.
Okay.
If I do ambient validate, it will do
Mm-hmm.
clean, will removing from the cache, as well as validate our project, means anything is wrong, any syntax missing on all the thing.
Okay.
The moment I do compile, it will come all those things. These two.
Okay.
If I do test, it will come all three. If I do package,
Okay.
it will come all. If I do verify,
Okay.
it will come all. If I do install,
Okay.
it will come all.
Okay.
Got it? Na?
Okay. So the best practice is to do MVM install, right?
That's why people do. That's why it's a habit.
Okay.
People has a habit to do ambient install. But logic is
Okay.
like this.
Because
Uh,
in my current project
yeah,
I'm
yeah, I
using
know.
MVM clean all
Yeah,
only.
I know. People do. It's see
Yeah.
most as a developer, we on a
Mm-hmm.
local system we do ambient clean install.
Yeah.
Okay, but you can do
Okay.
your task with the package as well. No need to install.
Okay.
Till package
Okay.
you can finish your task.
Okay. No problem.
You can do till compile as well. You can compile your
Mm-hmm.
application.
Right.
Okay, so these are like interview questions to understand.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
do some
Okay.
research on there as well. Na?
Yeah.
See,
Got your point.
this is just a Maven life cycle is simple. Okay,
Yeah.
but you need to add. You need to understand the orders. Simple thing.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let's move now. So this is our POM XML, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And here we can add the dependency. And what is a dependency? See, now this is a Maven based application, and before Maven it is a Java based application,
Okay.
right now? And Java has some dependency on other libraries as well, third party libraries. Suppose if we need to install, you may say like databases and all, so we have JDBC and multiple support like MongoDB and all those things. Not only this, if you want to add some third party like Log4j for logging and all, if you know about the Log4j for logging, and Lambok is also there. So these are like third party, correct?
Okay.
Oracle
Okay.
Oracle does not own all those things. So for this, there is a repository, Maven repository, correct? This is a
Okay.
repository, and this repository is for the Java people. Okay,
Sorry.
it's for
Okay.
the Java people, and be it a Maven, be it a Gradle, everything will be there only. If you want to download any third-party libraries, just come here; it will be available.
Okay.
Suppose I need to do Lambda. Okay, so I just come here and look. This is these many versions. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so whichever is I feel there is like less vulnerability. So never use vulnerability one. Otherwise, if you vulnerability one if you use, and next time if you building any application into your organization, you need to raise
Mm-hmm.
some. You need to go through with the several cycles.
Okay.
Okay, so here I'm just come here. See, it's coming in a Maven, Gradle, these many dependency.
Mm-hmm.
Correct. Suppose I'm just using Maven now. I can use this. If I have my dependency as a Gradle, I can use like this. Same thing is there. This is the package
Okay.
name, this is the project name, and this is the this is the artifact name, and this is the version. Same thing here as well. This is the you may say package name, and this is the artifact. This is the artifact version. Okay.
What does artifact ID stand for?
Artifact ID. This is just a uniqueness. Means developed by this company. You feel like
No, not group ID. I'm asking artifact ID. What is actual meaning of artifact?
this one, like Lambok.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
nothing much. It is just a uniqueness. Suppose see if
Oh.
you what happens now? I just tell you the
No, no. If you want to define what is artifact, so what is the one line definition for that?
artifact.
Yeah.
Artifact is a jar file, nothing else.
Okay. Okay.
Artifacts is
Okay.
simple as a jar file. Okay,
Okay.
the jar file they created. See, this is a jar file.
Mm-hmm.
They created, they deployed at Maven only, Maven
Okay.
repository.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
No problem.
and the Maven will help us to implement all those things.
Okay.
Let's go now. Now we need to implement with the Spring. Our focus was to Spring, correct? To
Yes.
how we implement the Spring, there is like two packages. So I go to my notes. Before I going here, let me do. Uh, I just copy it and just use it here. So just moving all those. Sorry, I'm just adding. Sorry. I just made a mistake. Here I need to add dependencies. Okay, and for dependencies we need, see, if you want to add any dependency from third party, we need to add dependencies as a tab. Inside dependency we can add multiple things.
Okay.
Okay, so for now
Yeah.
so for now, did I have anything here? I need to go. I think I don't have. So I need to go Spring Core and Spring Context, these two things.
Okay.
So my event repository, Spring Core, Spring Core. Maybe I need 18 version. Okay. See these many vulnerabilities if you see. Huh?
Yeah.
So we should not rely on this too. Suppose I'm just using any version, so I can give it here. This is a core, and now this is what we need. One more framework to run it. Spring Context. The version is 6.2.18. Last time also I used 6.2.18. 6.2.18. Same here I'll use as well. 6.2.18. Go to dependency. Now here if you see the buttons, we can update our dependency now.
Okay.
Here if you see, till now external libraries is only one, Java 17.
Mm-hmm.
The moment I do it here, you see Spring will come as well.
Okay.
Came na? This
Okay.
bean is came, context came, and all those Spring related stuffs came here. Correct? Now
Okay. What is there in Spring Core?
okay, Spring Core. Spring Core, it's kind of Spring framework itself. Spring Core is a base framework, and top
And
of
Spring yeah.
Spring Context is top of the Spring Core. So people
Okay.
mostly we use the context. Context is kind of, you may say, everything container kind of, you may say, for now.
Okay.
Spring Context
And
and context
Spring
is
Core?
Spring Core is like, you may say, what I say, low level, you may say, low level libraries.
Okay.
So we cannot directly interact with the Spring Core. We try to interact
Okay.
with the Spring Context.
Okay. Got your point.
And context is using core. Simple.
Okay.
Let's go now. We'll do some. Okay. So now, suppose.
So I just want to ask one thing, that Spring framework is totally obsolete, or it is used by the developer nowadays?
Spring Framework?
Yeah.
Spring Framework is Spring Boot is Spring Framework only. So people are using.
Spring Boot is a advanced feature of Spring, where dependency version is obsolete, right? In case of Spring Boot, we don't require any dependency version.
Dependency version means like
Yeah, version 6.2.18. It is not required in Spring Boot. You just have
this version
the
you are saying, this version.
yeah.
No,
It is obsolete in Spring Boot.
no, no, see, Spring, this na internally they are using. If I go to Spring Boot, so let's do, I do Spring initializer
Take
and
web dependency.
yeah, not web dependency. Okay, chalo,
Add web dependency.
okay, we'll add the web dependency. We explore it here. Spring Boot version is 4.
Okay,
Understood?
but I think conflict of version is not there.
Which version?
There is no version required for Spring Boot dependencies.
Means this
Then
yours.
what is the difference? What is the difference between Spring Boot and Spring?
Yeah, that's why I just said you. The people get confused. That's why I just said you. Make it clear. Spring itself a framework. Okay.
Yeah.
What we are learning Spring, not Spring Boot.
Okay. We are learning right now Spring Boot. Okay.
In company,
Spring. Sorry.
in company also we are implementing Spring, not Spring Boot.
Okay.
People get confused. They throw it anything.
So why the name came in Spring
Yeah.
Boot? Just because it is auto configuration.
Exactly. That we'll understand. In later classes,
Okay,
we'll
no
understand why this one and
Okay.
what was the issue.
Okay.
Okay.
So is it good not to have a dialogue interaction?
Yeah, obvious man. Don't worry.
Okay.
Obvious, it's good.
Because what I know, I can discuss with you, and
See,
what
if you,
you
yeah, exactly.
you know.
So see, if you ask na, you will be awoke.
Mhm.
Otherwise, you may sleep in between.
Yeah.
Or I may
I know.
sleep. I may sleep.
I
as well.
won't do that.
I may
I
sleep.
won't
Don't know.
sleep.
That's why I'm just saying. Ki always,
Okay.
see,
Ask questions, right?
asking question is good. None of question is a silly question. Not asking
Yeah.
question
No.
is a
No.
silly
No.
question.
Okay.
Okay, being silent is a silly
Mhm.
question.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go now. So you understood the difference between Spring and Spring Boot.
Core. Yeah.
First.
Spring core and context also I am clear.
Okay. Now now you tell me now. You understood the exactly what is a Spring and what is Spring Boot.
Yeah.
Nah? Now you can tell
Yeah.
to anyone ki we are not using Spring Boot. We are using Spring.
Okay.
Correct? So be confident on that. If you go to
Okay.
interview na, interviewer never ask Spring Boot question.
Okay.
60% Spring related question he will ask about the Spring core only.
Okay.
Okay? Because
Okay.
see, Spring Boot, what is that, man? At the rate REST framework, at the rate AutoAdd, at the rate get mapping, at the rate post mapping. That's
Yeah.
it. That's it, na?
Yeah.
That's it. and path at the rate path variable, at the rate request body, at the rate these all request params and all those.
Yeah.
This is the simple Spring Boot. So
Mhm.
it is not the game of the Spring Boot. It is like understanding whole framework, what is this and how this. Then interviewer will ask you. Otherwise, Spring Boot they never ask. They ask you
Yeah.
what is
Okay.
this notification, what is this notation, from where it comes,
Mhm.
what was the logic. If I remove this notation, how it behave.
Okay.
These all. The Spring Boot we can start in a, like half an hour. We can wrap our REST API.
Okay.
So don't be worried. We'll have in upcoming, if you see that we have the Spring MVC. Once we
Mhm.
come to Spring MVC, from there, see, in throughout our life we'll use only Spring Boot only.
Okay.
So don't be worried. But
Okay.
I'm just setting the logic behind why this
Oh.
one, how it was there, how the interview, how you can challenge people, how you can make
Okay.
difference from the other people who knows the Spring Boot and what you know.
Okay.
Okay. So for this
Okay.
purpose, I'm just taking. Otherwise, we can start Spring Boot. Not big deal. Okay, na? let's
Mhm.
focus on here now. So you understand this is our Spring, correct?
Right.
Now we set up. See, till now I never go to Spring initializer. I'm not even using Spring initializer. Okay?
Okay.
Spring
Okay.
initializer give us Spring Boot. If you go
Spring
to
Boot.
if you go to adding dependency, web dependency, as I told you that day as well, we'll explore here as well. We'll
Mhm.
clear it web as well. I'll show you what is there inside web, what is there inside boot only. I'll go you deep dive from
Okay.
where the server is coming, where the port
Okay.
is there, where the configuration is there. What if I remove the
Okay.
server? What if I change the server as well? How it behave?
Okay.
Why we rely
Okay.
on Apache server? Can't we do with the other server as well? So these kind of things we'll do. Don't worry. We'll do several things. Okay. So see, understanding here it will take time. Okay. Before
Right.
before till start the Spring Boot will take time. Once the Spring Boot come, automatically after maybe 2 classes you'll get to know this is now my base is strong. Now I move to
Okay.
here. So Spring Boot is not big deal. See the Spring, see Spring itself multiple project. Okay.
Okay.
See in front of mine only came. This is a project. This is one of project Spring Boot. This we people use Spring web apps. This they use.
Okay.
My question is, cannot they create, see, from without Spring Boot, cannot they create a web framework with the core REST
They
API?
can.
Na? But it will be like harder.
Yeah, it will be harder.
Okay. Now let's jump to our topic only. Correct. Now here I am integrated the Spring framework, and here if you see our libraries, jar file, all these came. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, how Spring knows? Now how Spring knows? Suppose, okay, let me create a new classes as well. Suppose I'm just creating my app controller, app services, and app repository. Okay, these three classes I created, and here I'm just trying to make a constructor for this. So I make a public app controller s out, just making it like app. See now Java is itself challenging to Python. You know, people after when you may say 5 6 months back, na, people were saying Java will be dead. Correct. When the Python came,
Yeah.
people were saying like Java will be dead. Now the moment Spring AI came, na, all things got changed. I think
Okay.
last 6 7 months, Spring AI people in my company also, people now integrating they are not relying on the Python's fast APIs and all. Now they integrated. Yeah, few things is there, but they are integrating the Spring AI itself. You know. Let me add public. And you know, one more thing. Oh, let me just add first, then I'll just show you there. So I just copy it from there. I'm nothing doing. I'm just creating constructor just for printing to see when the constructor initializing and all those things. So I'm just copying it here. App services. Make it like this. App services. Correct. And the repository we have app. Okay. So now 3 controller is there. Correct. I just created 3 controller, and inside the controller I created my constructor where I'm just printing something, so that I get to know when this constructor got initialized. Okay.
Okay.
I was just telling you, na, Spring AI 2.0 recently came. See, 2 days back it came. Released. When released?
12th June.
Exactly.
Today is 14.
Yeah, 2 days back. Powerful, man. It's not like Spring. It's not like ऐसे ही मतलब क्या रेस्ट छोड़ देगा. It's not like this. Spring is spring, man. It's ऐसे थोड़ी. अभी तो I too also have to explore a lot of things in there. What is there in Spring AI 2.0? Several new things came. I understand about image parsing is quite good. And models they are using like quite impressive models and all those metadata and several things. Cost cutting also quite implementation very well there.
Okay.
So let's move to our topic there. Okay, chalo. And okay. Okay, before I go here, see, let me open. Here I created a 3 controller, correct?
Right.
Now my purpose is there to initialize this controller based on the Spring. How Spring can initialize this controller container? That we say this controller, okay? And what is the name of what Spring give? Suppose Spring initialize any controller, what it says Spring?
Spring Boot
No,
gives you the annotation.
no. Suppose the classes which initialize
Yeah.
which initialize na?
API endpoints.
No. Have you heard about the bean?
Yeah, bean. Yeah.
Ah, so that is the only difference. See, now you tell me what is the difference between Pojo and Bean. Pojo, you know Pojo?
Oh, yeah. Pojo is just like defining the attributes and getter setter.
Good. So can't here if I do can't here we can define like string name equal to suppose something. Can't we do as a lemba we can do, or we can do getter setter as well? Rightly clicking. Can't we do like getter setter? Can't we do like this here as well?
Yeah.
We can do na?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
so my question is like why we say this is as a bean? Why we not say it's a Pojo class?
Go once again back.
Ah.
You have getter setter.
Yeah, everything is there. Getter is also there, setter is also there, property is also there,
String.
constructor.
String is empty string.
Okay, anything. Empty string, anything.
Yeah. Name.
Name.
Now, what is your question? Why?
Why we say why we not say it here as a Pojo class? It is behaving like Pojo class.
Yeah, it is behaving like a
Ah.
Pojo class only.
So why we are not saying if you heard about the Spring, we always say bean.
Yeah.
Na? So my question is that why? Minor difference. Just tell me why.
Dependency injection.
No. Have you ever created any class? Have you ever created custom like see now in Pojo how you create the object of any class?
Inside the main method.
Correct. Main method. I go in main method. Suppose I need to create object for this class. How we do? Suppose app controller. App controller here we written. Na? Okay. So how we write? Like this.
App controller
Okay.
equals to controller new app controller.
Correct. Right now?
Right.
We do like this. But
Yeah.
have you ever seen in Spring we do like this? We create
No,
any.
dependency injection.
No. You are
Inversion of control.
again now you are right. That is my point.
Inversion of control.
Correct.
You can create object anywhere at any time.
Still not right. Okay. See what is first one by one. See, we in Spring we never create any object. Okay.
Okay.
Me as a user, you as a user, as a developer, we never create any object. Okay. All thing created by the Spring. Spring created, managed, destroyed, bean lifecycle. When it has to be when it has to be bean lifecycle, like this has to be created, this has to be destroyed. Each and everything bean will take the headache. We never take the headache. We just use it. Hey bean, this is the controller. Give me the controller. We just use it. That is why we say the name inversion of control. IOC.
Inversion of IOC.
Means the reverse you go. I am now responsibility is on you only. This is the two property of the Spring: inversion of the control and dependency injection. Correct. So now this is the whole definition of the inversion of control. Okay, you understood? We as a user we never create object. We just take it. Give me the object of this one.
Bean will handle that.
So no, bean will not handle. Spring will handle.
Actually, Spring will handle.
The name is bean.
Okay.
Spring created object we say bean. This is bean of this class. If you heard about bean of Falana class. Bean of
this so class. What is the difference between bean and Pojo class?
Yeah, exactly. In Pojo, see here Pojo we created with the new. That is what I'm just saying. In bean we never use. Bean,
Okay, but in Bean we never use the object,
correct.
create the object, right?
We never create
Okay,
in a heap or anything or anywhere. We just
okay,
get,
no problem.
hey context, give me the object. We just say to context.
Okay, get your
And what
point.
is the context?
Okay,
Context is directly connecting to bean container.
okay,
Okay. So
Bean container. Okay,
ultimately we are saying to Spring only, hey Spring, give me the object. How we do, we all
okay,
understand now. Okay. See,
okay.
this is the folder structure. If you know about, I just forget to tell you the folder structure. So this I think you know about this all, na? SRC is. Uh,
DTO is DTO is missing in that.
yeah, I'm not
For
creating.
database.
Yeah, that will do later. I'm not creating database now, so I'm not keeping
Okay,
those.
okay, no problem.
So for now, we are just keeping two folder by default. One is the main, one is the test. Okay, this is for the
Okay,
testing. This is for the writing codes, and
okay,
this is for the target. Target means our jar file. This
okay,
project jar file will be created here, and that
okay,
jar file we can deploy anywhere. Okay,
okay,
so we can deploy. You may say on with help of this jar, either directly we can deploy somewhere. See here, actually today only I was just deployed one application here. I just forget the name. Render. Railways they are free, na? I think here. See, I think here maybe. So yeah, this I think public URL will be there. Yeah. Hmm. See, recently actually we were developing one application for one student, na? So they needed these all for their project. So recently we created
okay,
and we deployed. How we deployed? Just the jar. Okay,
okay.
with the gate we connected. We just with here it was easy actually, but in a
Mm-hmm.
standard way these are like you may say open source place where we can deploy simple like monolithic application kind of, where we
Okay,
need,
okay.
see here we need the databases as well, the simple application, the get.
Monolithic means?
Yeah, I'll tell you. So for now, whatever, see, monolithic is like, you understand, like everything in a single. Like if I have, suppose I'm just working in a Paytm, okay.
Okay,
So
okay.
Paytm application, they have different modules like login modules,
Right,
onboarding
right.
modules, payment modules, cart
Yep.
modules, all those like phone pay modules. Sorry, not phone pay. You may say this uh, financial modules like SIPs, mutual fund, all they have separate, and billing cycles and everything have separate modules. Okay,
Yep.
that
Yep.
module itself, it has different Git repo. Each application has different Git repo.
GitHub.
हाँ.
Okay,
So that we say small part. That we say
okay,
it's a microservice application.
okay. No,
In
no, monolithic. What
Yeah,
does monolithic mean?
monolithic, correct. That
Oh,
different repo, you understood?
yeah,
That
yeah.
will club all in single application.
Okay,
Okay, my single repo will be
okay,
there
okay,
for all different modules. We have single application, that we say
okay.
monolithic.
Okay. Gaurav, could you please explain me once more what is target means in that
Yeah, yeah,
project
okay.
structure?
So here if you see the target, okay, so
Mm-hmm.
target, it is automatic generated classes. Like suppose if I write here test cases, suppose if I write BBD, heard about the BBD, behavioral testing,
Mm-hmm.
karate framework and all we use, nah? So these we, if you write BBD here in testing, it will be generating here. Here index file
Okay.
will be generated HTML. We can show the HTML from here. So all the you must say the you may say the what I say the overall the context of our application, where the test will be the BBD test will be generated, the HTML files and our jar files, all of the packages, you may say packages will be generated for our application in the target folder.
Okay.
Got it now?
Okay. Got it.
So the, when you need a target folder, that the moment you need a deployment or you need any kind
Okay.
of then only
Okay.
we go to target folder. For now you understand,
Okay.
just for the jar creation we'll take the help of here.
Okay.
Okay.
Got your point.
So mostly we just focus on here as a this one, our code will be here inside the
Okay.
package of this one, and the
Okay.
resources means our configuration,
Configuration.
images or like anything, we'll try to keep here
Yeah.
inside resources.
Okay. We can also create database database, local database also, right? In resources.
No. Local database means H2 you are saying?
Yeah, H2.
No,
Where
that,
we create.
yeah, understood. That we create here, but see, S2 is in memory. Yeah, we never use this one. This
Yeah,
is
yeah.
so S2 not even here created. It is the memory of the Spring create automatically. So that we can see visibly as well. But we rely on any, you may say, vendors like MySQLs or Postgres or anything. Nah?
Okay, no. But if I want to create SQL data dot SQL and schema dot SQL, so those files where in which folder I need to create? I need to create a
Okay.
new folder for that.
No, I understood. You are saying dump file, nah? Dump file.
Yeah, dump file
That we create here resources, right? That is right.
inside the resource.
Correct.
So three things we create:
Hmm.
YML file, application dot property file, and these dump
Databases,
files,
dump
right?
files, correct. Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So let's move now to our Spring where it was. Okay. So here resources we need to add. Once again, we need to add a configuration. Okay. So
Okay.
see, Spring initialized based on two things. One is XML based configuration, and second one is like annotation based configuration.
Okay.
Okay. So Spring core, that completely initialized was the XML in initial days. Okay.
Okay.
Later
Okay.
they also inherited from the annotation. They implemented some annotation as well. Now the second layer approach, they added XML as a configuration, but annotation as a class files as well. I'll show you one by one, so don't be worried.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
I'll show you one by one. And now Spring Boot is completely using annotation. It is not even using
Yeah.
the
XML.
XML. Correct?
Yeah.
So
XML.
this is the differences.
Correct.
Nah? So now we'll
Yeah.
start the Spring code. So that is why I need to create one configuration file. So I'm just creating one configuration file, that is config.xml. Okay,
Okay.
this is our configuration file. And if you see here in the notes, that I'll give you as well. You see, I just copy. If you go here, if you look for the Spring core XML config, take, you come here,
Okay.
you go below, then XML based bean definition is here. This we need to
Okay.
copy. The same thing I copied here, but
Oh,
top of that I added one more thing. If you see here, I added
okay.
context.
Okay.
Okay, na? Here it is not there. See.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now we need to add the context. So this is the things. Okay. Now here if you see, I added annotation as well. Correct?
Okay. What is dot XSD stand for?
Which one? Line number?
Line number 13 and 9 and anyone you can see.
This XCD?
Yeah.
This one? Oh, nothing. It just
Yeah.
say Spring given, just maybe different name it given. Just for the Spring context we are using from Spring framework schema and all those. So this see
Okay.
this we no need to, no brainer. These are like no brainer. Just copy paste.
Okay.
No brainer.
Okay. Okay.
They are not even
Okay.
going to ask you the question, so don't be worried.
Yeah.
They
No
just say
problem.
you ki how we can integrate all those things. They will ask ki how Spring core can be initialized. They will ask you.
Okay.
100% they will ask you. So this way we need to add a configuration file, XML file. Okay, and here I am saying I need a annotation based. That I'll say you as well. I'll tell you as well. Now you see there is one more parameter here, context component scan.
Mm.
It means now Spring got to know, oh, I need to create a bean for this package. It will go to
Okay.
arg.child2, and whatever the package, whatever the class, it will be there, it will be creating here. Okay.
Okay.
Now I added the configuration, I created the class. Correct? But how Spring knows that this configuration file has to be loaded? Okay. So here we need to add. Okay. Before that, application. Let me add application context. equal to new class path XML context, and the file name we need to give it here config dot XML. Acha, let me add. Okay, now you see, you have in Spring Boot you always see like application context. Now it's mentioned like configurable application context.
Okay.
Na? If in any running in Spring Boot latest project, if you see people using configurable Spring context. Okay.
Okay.
And configuration is Spring context, if you see, inherited from the application context.
Okay.
Right na? Don't get confused.
Mm-hmm.
Don't get confused. I'm just reverting back, so don't get confused. See, I'm using a simple, I'm just created a configuration file for the XML that I'm just loading, simple here.
Okay.
Correct? Now, how we can load? By this way. Okay?
Okay.
So, this is the only way to loading? No, there is two way. One application context, one is bean factory. Interview question. Now, if you see, these both are like interfaces. I'll tell you. See, two ways to Spring initialize. One is the bean factory, one is the application context. Okay. What is differences between this? For now, you understand like this way also we can do bean factory. Okay, bean our configuration XML we can load. But the problem is here, bean is a lazy. Bean factory is a lazy. The only differences people will ask in interview.
Okay.
Application context is a eager. There is two wording, eager and lazy.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Bean factory is a lazy, application context is a eager.
So that's why bean factory is mostly preferred because it's lazy.
No.
Lazy in the sense it get execute the program once the all steps are completed.
No, lazy is not like this. Lazy is like once I need it, I ask it. The moment it is initialized.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay. The moment it initialize, it execute.
When I ask, when I get, hey, I need this object, the moment it is initialized. When I use it. Okay.
Okay.
See, if you see in your existing project also in Spring Boot, see this is not a Spring Boot, this is Maven application. Okay. In Spring Boot also, if you see, it always mention like application context or configurable application context, not bean factory. And you said like it's lazy, that is why it is good. Correct?
Yeah.
And point is valid as well, but not in the sense of the Spring. Why? Because Spring says I don't care. Now latest Spring said, the version of this one. Early in the days it was using the bean context, bean factory. Now it is using the application context. Now it is saying I need everything in on go. Otherwise anything can crash. Who will be the responsible? I am the IOC. At least give me something to initialize. That is why they use application context. Eager initialization.
No, in eager initialization, once you write any line, coding line, so it get execute, it get compiled, right? But in lazy case, when all the lines has been written, then it start executing. Is it not like this, or is it something else?
No, I think you understood the wrong. So see, eager is what? Eager is ready-made. Okay.
Okay.
Eager means ready-made. Already it's a build. Suppose I created a object like.
Because the concept of in-memory computation will take place in lazy evaluation only, which is better compared to a application context, where it is executing the line by line as early.
Yeah, that is right. But not for the every beans. Na?
Okay.
Suppose I am having an application which is like 10-20 beans. Okay. So the beans which is not required while initializer, that we make it lazy.
Okay.
Which is required immediately, that we make it eager.
Okay.
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 At least to run something, we need at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beans to be eager. Rest you can make it initialization, so it will be move fast.
Okay.
Okay.
So what is more preferred nowadays, application context or bean?
Both preferred.
Preferred.
Depends. Both preferred.
Based
But
on the requirement.
based on requirement. Suppose as I told you the example. Suppose in my
Mm-hmm.
application like 10 beans is there.
Yep.
Okay. So I want at the time of the initialization only my
Mm-hmm.
REST controller where I retain my REST controller. Huh?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That has to be initialized immediately. So what I do? I do eager there.
Okay.
Okay. Rest of other
Okay.
thing which I want later or anything that we can make
Mm.
it lazy.
Okay.
Nah? That will understand. Don't be worried. That will understand
Okay.
later as well. But this is the way to initialize.
Okay.
Correct?
Okay. Okay.
Now see. Now we configure our application. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
We created controller as well.
Mm-hmm.
Let me remove these all. Okay. Now Spring got to know, oh, this controller has to be done, this configuration has to be done. Let me try to run it now. Let's see the behavior now. See here we printed application controller in a constructor. In repository also we added app repository constructor here. Here also we added. So nothing is printed.
Mm-hmm.
Why? What's the issue?
Bean.
What bin?
We have not given the bean annotation
How
for
we how
creating a
how we give?
object.
How we give? Any idea?
Annotation bean.
Means what? Tell me the here what I do. Here
Yeah, @ bean.
if I do component any issue?
And that I don't know what
Okay,
if
I'll
you're
tell.
talking about.
Yeah, that is you are right. That is right. See, when we do @bean,
Hmm.
see, I'll write the few name. I think better when we come the Spring Boot, then I'll okay. Actually, for now, we'll start the annotation as well. Once let me finish this one, we'll start the annotation as well, where I'll
Okay.
explain you how many annotation is that, what's purpose of this one, and all. Nah?
Mm-hmm.
So for now, I'm just adding component,
Mm-hmm.
component, app controller also, component. Only two I'm adding. Let's initialize now. Let's see what it printing or not. See.
Components. Okay.
Means
And
now
what?
now you see the my point.
Mm-hmm.
Now you see my point. What I was said, how we can create the object of this class using new keyword. Are we doing anywhere new keyword
No.
for this
Yeah.
class?
New class path XML.
No, that we are doing. But for this controller, we are doing.
Yeah.
This,
No.
no, na.
No.
This
So
definitely
what?
we need.
Tell me, write beans also to see what is the output for that.
For bean also,
Yeah, for bean. You remove the component and see the bean.
you tell any differences will be there.
I don't know. Na.
No differences will be there. Okay. It is not loading. Anything wrong here? Context not applicable type. Why it is not applicable? Should work, man. What's missing here? Let me remove it again. Let me import the package. Okay, let's keep it aside. Note down, note down, we'll see.
Okay.
For now we'll add the component. I think it's work. It does not matter, maybe something I'm just doing wrong, not sure. Okay, for let's do the our thing first. We'll understand why it is there. Okay, here our controller, we added component here. Okay. On controller, as well as we added for the service. We did not add for the repository, that is why it is not initialized.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And nowhere we are doing hey like this, like Pozo we are not doing.
Okay.
App controller, app service suppose, and service equal to one second. Hello. हाँ भैया,
DRC शिवाय के पता है अभी?
कहाँ पे कह रहे हैं?
DRC शिवाय
BRC सिवा है, लोकेशन भेज देंगे क्या? अभी नहीं आ पाऊँगा, 5:30 तक आऊँगा, थोड़ा सा अभी मीटिंग में हूँ।
5:30
हाँ 5:30।
5:30 आज बंद हो रहे सर।
तो
अभी नहीं हो पाएगा?
अभी नहीं हो पाएगा, अभी थोड़ा सा बिज़ी हूँ। अभी 1 घंटे बिज़ी रहूँगा, 5 तक तो बिज़ी रहूँगा। 5 पे करें? 5?
आप फ्री होने के बाद कॉल करो सर।
चलिए ठीक है, मैं फ्री के बाद कल करूँगा, नहीं तो फिर कल देखते हैं, फिर कल आपको कॉल, ठीक है?
देखिए अगर नहीं तो कल सुबह देखेंगे।
ठीक है, हम कल आपको, कल या परसों में आपको अपडेट, कल ही वाले से अपडेट करूँगा फिर, ठीक है?
हाँ
चलिए
हाँ, फ्री होने के बाद कॉल करो, रहे तो मैं दिखाऊंगा।
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। Okay, Sajid, there are?
Yeah.
So where are we, man? Okay, so like this, Pozo, we are not initializing our class, correct? App service, this. We are not doing this. We are just saying @ component, okay? And you create the object. I'm just saying to bean. Now bean will do everything. Init will do. When the life cycle will be happen, these things will do. Each and every it will give by default. Okay? That will understand
Okay.
one by one. But for now, you understand, we are not doing anything. We are just getting. Maybe confusion?
No.
Okay. Now my question is there. See here. My question is there. Let me add here as well. Service. What it means? Repository. Na? @ component. For now, I'm just keeping everything component. Okay. All initialized with the bean. Now we
Okay.
are going to understand the XML approach. How the XML is still, see, its XML is there, but still we are using auto configuration. Configure @ component @ something. This is kind of annotation. Okay. Don't yarn. जमाई नहीं लो, इसलिए कह रहा हूँ क्वेश्चन पूछते रहो.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just removing it. I don't want annotation based, so completely I'll remove now. And now I'll go to XML based approach completely. Okay, so here if you see, I'm just giving my bean class. Okay,
Okay.
see now, this way in XML, I'm just saying arg.child.app controller. Okay, that is right only. Correct? Now you see, I'm not using annotation. Nowhere. Now also it will initialized. Initialized?
Yeah.
So this is the pure XML based, pure core, Spring core.
Okay. Got your point.
Now you got the core Spring core.
Okay.
Okay. Not now you can say I am deeper dive in a Spring.
Okay.
Okay. The same thing we can create for other two as well. Here we can give dot repository dot services. Correct? All three will be initialized. Correct, na?
Okay. Correct.
Now you heard about the why we using the Spring. Only two purpose. Remember, one is IOC, one is dependency injection.
Okay.
Correct, na?
Yeah.
IOC you just saw it.
Yeah. IOC we just saw it.
Correct.
That
IOC we just saw it. Now the
Okay.
second point we need to validate. How dependency injection?
using AutoWide.
No, still not. I'm not going to do AutoWide. That is my purpose to show you. AutoWide is what? In notation simple here. @ AutoWide. Okay? See how many things is there in Spring itself. Are you getting excited, overwhelmed, or boring, or what is that? Hello?
No, you are not audible for
Oh, sorry,
10 seconds.
Oh, sorry.
10 seconds,
Network was lost, huh?
maybe.
Okay, it's
For
okay now,
almost 10 seconds.
Okay, it's okay now. So what I was saying, हाँ,
Mm-hmm.
I was asking the question from you कि अभी कैसा feel हो रहा है? Like you are feeling like bored, or feeling like something new, or feeling
No,
like
no.
yeah this much interesting, or what is that?
Yeah, interesting. It's interesting,
No? Till now you just know about the Springboard, no?
Yeah.
Most other
I've
people.
learned this Spring also, but long back, almost
Hmm.
around 2 years back, when I learned related to Spring Boot
Yeah,
MVC.
yeah. Spring MVC is now
So
nobody is using,
it's
so don't worry. We also don't much spend time on that Spring MVC.
okay.
We just understand behind, the crux behind the Spring MVC. Then we jump
Yeah.
to Springboard. Nah? So don't be worried.
Okay.
We are not
Okay.
going
Okay.
everything. We are not going in that deeper because
Okay.
we
No
have
problem.
limited time. Whatever
Sure.
is interview things that we are
Yeah.
going. Nah?
Okay. Okay.
Not like whatever the knowledge should be required that we don't do. If you see like
Okay.
this, then again we need to understand the Hibernate as well.
Yeah. JP Hibernate
No,
also.
jumping to JPA itself, you need to understand the Hibernate.
Right.
Nah? So we are not going in that. Okay? But you do some
Okay.
understanding for a Hibernate as well once we jump the
Okay.
JPA.
Okay.
JPA is
Okay.
easy, but the
Yeah.
understanding the Hibernate, crux behind it, it's a good. Nah? What challenging in a GPA? Relationship. How we maintain the relationship. Okay?
Okay.
How we can write the JPQL queries. These are the challenges things.
Okay.
Not like simple CRUD application. It will be easy. Just one relation, one to one, one to many. It's easy. But the moment complex relationship comes, then not only JPA tough, even JDBC also tough.
Okay.
Okay, let's do now for dependency. We just need to verify dependency injection. Correct? We come to here now. Here we understood this one, na? Okay. Now
Yeah.
let's try to create our interface. The purpose of this dependency injection. Okay. So here I just
Okay.
creating class, just keeping as an interface. Name is like payment, iPayment. Okay. And
Okay.
adding a method type here. Oh, by default public will be there. So default pay suppose. Okay. So here I
Okay.
created one interface. Now I for now I'm just a repository, and this sake of the easiness I'm just removing these two. Just keeping only one controller. Okay, app controller, correct, huh? And here our payment. And now in payment we are using two different type of payment. One is UPI payment class, and one is card payment. Correct?
Okay.
And this we inherited from till here. All is okay?
Yeah.
I did not do anything. I just created two separate entity. You know good thing about what is
Yeah.
good thing about you? You just have 2 years of experience, eh?
Yeah.
And you have vast life to learn in Java Spring. Okay?
Yeah.
And till now you know a lot of things.
Yeah.
Nah? So now after this, now you explore several things, man. You explore like reactive programmings as well. where we use like flux menu and all. Not only this, you understood. Maybe if in my notes I have, I don't know. Here. Okay, maybe I'll show you after the class. I'll show you. Don't break the rhythm of the class first. Okay, where we were there, payment. Payment. Okay, this is a payment type, correct?
Okay.
And in our controller, rather than app controller, okay, let it be app controller. Maybe payment controller should be good, but it's fine. Again, you're taking Jamai. Don't take Jamai. I payment. Correct?
Yeah.
And we can call this method. What is that? What is that? Pay. Payment dot pay. Okay. And card payment. Need to refactor. Where is rename? Yeah. Card. अरे यार. Correct, card payment. अरे again spelling mistake. Card, CARD. Done. Okay, done. Chalo. So where you are? In our card payment, we implemented this one. Let's this out. Payment GH card. Okay.
Okay.
And in UPI, same card payment. I just copy paste. UPI payment through UPI. Got it, right? Till here, any confusion? I'm not doing anything.
At the rate override, we use for what purpose?
At the rate override? Inheritance.
For inheritance.
If you don't use, it's fine. Just for our sake of understanding.
Okay.
They won't throw any compiler or any error.
Okay.
But just for our understanding, this method inherited from something else, maybe interface or abstract class or anywhere.
Okay.
Okay. Just for our sake of understanding. Compiler will understand.
Okay, but when we use the implement keyword, then also we can understand that it's inherited by iPayment, right?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Correct. We can do. But this is quite, you may say, good habit to keep it all those, na?
Okay.
Otherwise, Sonar?
Yeah.
Sonar will throw a lot of error for this if you don't write.
Okay, no problem. Okay, got your point.
So these kind of things, even sometimes we miss the, suppose, multiple statement, na?
Mm-hmm.
In this compiler, can we do like this? Okay. Sonar will throw the error.
Okay.
So several things there.
Okay.
Okay, let's do now. We were identifying the, what is that? Dependency injection. Correct?
Okay.
Now see, dependency in XML, there was a two-way. If you come here, okay, I come here, see, there is two-way. Okay? I'll tell you one thing. Class I created, fine. See, there is always, that is why it's mentioned ID. Just for the given uniqueness for this, I'm just giving ID. You can give any app controller. The bean name is app controller, and this is fully qualified class name, class path. Na? We can give the fully qualified class just for the class. And inside bean, there is a property. Is this bean, app controller bean? There is a property payment. correct? Right na?
Mm-hmm.
So we need property name, okay, and we need to okay, one more thing, we need to initialize our bean as well, these two beans too. Let me remove. Since we are using two different beans as well, correct? So we are giving it as a name, child dot card payment, and this is what UPI payment, and here we can give UPI pay, we can give card pay, correct? Here it is asking to be directly I can give here as well, no issue, correct?
Correct.
What we are doing here, we just nothing but we just created three bean. One is our UPI and card, second one our controller, okay? If you
Okay.
see it here in controller, it is iPayment type of interface which having two classes, card payment and UPI payment, okay? So that we need to pass property and name, and the name is like, let me see, our name UPI pay.
We have created a object of interface in the controller class.
Object of interface, where I created object of interface?
Controller class.
Which controller? Here?
Yeah. iPayment equal to payment. It's an object.
No, no,
This
no,
is
no, 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 no,
dependency injection.
no, 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 no. Yeah. It is dependent. We are not creating object of the payment.
Okay.
We are creating. See, this is the what I say, interface with segregation. Correct?
Interface with segregation.
Here what happens? Whatever the
Mhm.
parent class is there, we are just
Mhm.
assigning those parent class. So its benefit is there. See, whatever the payment type is come here, based on this see, I'm just calling pay. I'll call pay from our main method. Correct? I'll show you.
Yeah.
So if I just call them whatever I'm just passing here as a payment, maybe UPI, it will go for the UPI pay. If I call the card pay, it will go for the card pay.
So payment, what is payment actually?
Payment is an interface.
What is
interface?
interface?
Hmm.
And iPayment?
iPayment itself an interface. This is an object. This is just a
That
reference.
is only I'm asking.
No, not object. It is just a reference. Don't confuse with the object. Just a reference.
Okay.
I'm just creating. If I just
Okay,
print it
just
now,
reference of it. Mhm.
just a reference. If you print it now, it will be null. It will be printing null.
Okay.
Let's
Okay.
show you. Don't do anything here. Let's cut it now. Let me run it. Oh, where is that? Let me run it. Coming null?
Yeah.
Nah? Means it is not even initialized, just taking a reference.
Okay, reference.
You know, this we can do. Let me do. Up casting, down casting, you know.
No, I don't know.
See, iPayment. Payment. I'll tell you one example so you will understand. I'll 100% create without this string. I'm just creating now, so you understand. New. What is it? Card payment. Card payment. Correct. Whatever is right side, correct? That object will be there. That object will be creating. Always remember. And
Okay.
it is just a reference. Sorry, it is just a reference.
Okay,
So
it's just a
object will be
reference.
created of the card payment.
Okay.
The moment I do UPI payment, object will be created UPI payment, but just it's a reference.
Okay.
Got it, na?
Mm-hmm.
Let's remove it all. We'll go it here. Okay. Now we need to assign property. The name of property. Our property name is what? Name. Where is the controller? Payment. Our property name is payment. Payment. Okay. And reference we can give it UPI pay. You tell me any issue now?
No.
Correct? Now
Yeah.
what it will integrate? UPI pay.
UPI.
Correct? Now I go here and from context get bean. Okay, so getting
Mhm.
bean, there is 3 types. You see, generally we use 3 type. Get bean by name, by
Okay.
class type, by ID type as well. Okay,
Okay.
these 3 differences is there for class type. Okay, class type,
Okay.
I'm just giving my class is what? Card payment. No, app controller na, app controller dot class. We need app controller first. Controller, correct?
Yeah.
And controller dot pay. If I do controller dot pay, it will come here. It will try to do it. Okay,
Okay.
but see now I am commenting this. Let's see what is behave. What is saying?
Exception.
Exception for what? I payment pay.
And,
This dot payment is null. This dot payment means app controller, this payment is null. Okay,
Okay.
dependency injection is missing here,
Okay.
right? So from here I'm doing dependency injection. Now if you see controller main, okay, correct. See now why it's throwing error? What it's saying?
Not right with property.
What it's saying?
Bean property
Always try to read
does
the
the
errors. If you read the errors, you will get to know what it's saying.
bean
Correct. Go ahead.
setter
Set.
bean property payment is not writable or has invalid setter method.
Correct. So this property, whenever we define, we need a setter. Okay, for UPI pay, sorry, our card payment. Where is our card payment? Sorry, app controller. So here we need to add a setter. Generate, add a setter. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I did getter. I need setter, man. I did getter, maybe. Generate setter. Set payment. Correct?
Okay.
Right now?
Yeah, right.
This method required while doing property setter.
Okay.
Now slowly, few interview question is coming. I'll just tell you. Let it run now. See, payment through
Card.
what we
Can you
set.
please
What we set up
UPI?
here? Are we doing anything log or wrong or what? Let's see. Maybe we printed something wrong. Payment through UPI. One second. Card. Payment through card. So why it's going to card? We doing anything wrong? Array yaar, see here. Understood? Here we are giving fully qualified name of the payment, but the name we giving it's UPI.
Okay.
Understood?
Bean ID is UPI.
Huh?
Bean ID we are giving UPI instead of giving card.
Yeah.
It is reversible.
No. Here, see here, UPI payment, but we given the wrong name. So that is why we
Yeah.
passing the wrong name. So we make it
Just need to
card.
interchange.
Exactly, card pay. What was your question? You were asking something, na?
Yeah, I'll ask you first. Run the
Okay.
code.
Now UPI pay, correct?
UPI will come.
Okay. Now
UPI
let's
function will be called.
now let's run it. Payment through UPI.
UPI.
Now-
Yeah, can you please explain me
Yeah,
that
yeah, one second,
app
one second.
controller
Yeah, one second.
object we have created?
Yeah, 1 second. Let me add the card payment as well to verify. Then we see it's
No,
same.
it will work. I know.
Okay, then that is fine. Maybe we should know everything what we are missing and why. Card, correct na? Okay.
Okay.
Now
Please explain me once more the app controller object we have created.
app controller. Okay. Here.
Object we have created.
Okay.
Not here in the main method.
Okay.
Okay. So just two lines. Application context equal to new class path XML application context.
Hmm.
This thing we have to write every time whenever we are writing. Whenever we are using the XML configuration file,
Correct.
right?
100%.
And what about the application controller equals to context, the
See.
object we are taking and calling the get beans
Correct.
by passing the app controller class.
Yeah. Wait. See. This
Okay.
is the class path. XML we
Okay.
given.
Okay.
Now XML what is holding? It's a configuration holding.
Okay.
Na?
Okay.
And whatever inside we just said create a bean. It will create the bean. It will create bean for this, create bean for this, create bean for this.
Okay.
Okay?
And whatever we are reference we are calling, then it will give the
So what if you see, if I need another bean of the suppose card payment type. So what I type here? Context dot get bean. Okay? And class type is what? Card payment class. Here we can give card payment. Got it? If I print it here, not printing this out. Card payment. See? So bean already ready made for us. Bean already created all of three, whichever we said. Create a bean for these.
Okay.
We are just asking, hey bean.
And what is the last line?
Yeah, last one I'll tell you. So here
Property name.
Property name means what in this controller we are saying. See, that is inside bean. That is like this. Inside this
Okay,
controller.
that is inside the bean.
That is inside this. Okay?
Okay. And from where the bean start? Go up. I just want to see from where the bean start. Okay, from there up.
Bean start means
Okay,
this
got
okay.
your-
Tag you are saying.
Yeah,
Okay.
from here.
Uh-huh.
Bean tag start from up.
Not bean.
Okay.
Beans tag. All the bean fall under this. It's beans tag. Like dependency, if you see, dependency has dependencies. Every dependency
Oh,
comes under this.
Go back into config file. I just want to see. The first bean start from top till end, and the second bean start from card payment, right?
No. See, this. Don't confuse. This is
What
just
is the closing of first bean?
this bean you are saying.
Yeah.
This one.
And what is the closing of second bean?
Closing of second bean.
Yeah,
This?
first opening and
No. This I see. If it is like single, there is like no child for this. Either you can make like this. I think you'll get confusing for this.
okay,
Or we can make it like this as well. So both are fine.
okay. And what about the second last bean?
Second last bean, this one,
Yeah.
Ah.
What is the starting point for this?
this one, line number 17.
Okay,
Seven.
got your point.
So since see, it does not hold any child. So for shortcut, I
Okay.
just created like this.
Okay.
Nah? But the
Okay.
standard way for
Got your
XML, standard way is like if you opening HTML or XML, if you opening any tags, you need to close the tags.
Okay.
Okay, so if it does not hold any child, we can directly close like this.
Okay, got your point.
So this is holding some child property payment. So for that we do.
Okay.
Okay, till here is okay. How we can do the dependency?
Yeah, so card
Now-
pay is the function and payment is the interface reference. Okay.
So the card
Okay,
payment,
okay.
this bean ID.
Okay, bean ID, or
This
you can say
this is
bean
the
ID.
property name inside this controller. Suppose
Okay, this is
I just
control.
make a different, suppose name, which is not in there. Not in there payment one.
Yeah.
So how it's behave? That should also try. Understood?
Yeah, understood.
Huh? See what it's saying. Don't believe on me. Search or error.
Invalid property.
Ah.
Okay, got your point.
Always read the error. Don't believe on anyone.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay, that is the ID and that is the property name. Okay.
Correct?
Yeah.
Now you tell me, IOC and dependency injection is part of the Spring Boot or Spring?
IOC dependency is a part of Spring.
You believe now?
Yeah.
Nah? So this is the, you can explain. Okay? It's not part of
Okay.
Spring Boot. Spring Boot is just for the
Annotations.
auto configuration. Annotation you can say
Auto
short.
con-
Auto
auto
configuration.
configuration.
Got it the difference?
Yeah.
Now see people how fast they say this, blah blah. So this is not a valid thing. Okay. Now let's move one more thing here. We'll go one by one now. Okay. See now. Now interview question is coming. We did based on setter method,
Yeah.
correct? Now if you see app controller, we have a setter method,
Yeah.
nah? And we have a constructor method as well here.
Yeah.
Constructor. This is our constructor. I'm just making constructor up, so you won't get confused. Constructor, then setter, then this constructor, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So suppose if I remove this, okay, and commenting this, okay, there is property for constructor R, okay,
Okay.
and
Okay.
the ref this payment. Okay. Now if you go to controller, we need to implement here I payment. Now it will be have some value.
Okay.
Got it? So dependency injection now we did not see. Now the moment I run it, you will see. First let me run it. It's still some error for
Null.
what? No, some error. Maybe we are doing
Null point.
something wrong. Okay. Our bean maybe here something. It is not for. Let me comment this. I think it should not be issue, but let me comment for safe side to see. This payment is null. So why null? You tell me constructor reference name is right. Card pay and what's wrong here? Do I need to give it? Do I need to give it or by default it will take? Let me try this. I think okay, we need to give it controller matching constructor blah, blah. Where it was there, app controller card payment. That is to correct, man. App controller is there, the spelling is right here as well. It is printing too. I payment correct. And card pay they can fix. What's wrong here? Nothing wrong here. Are we doing anything wrong? App controller is public only, payment type payment, right? Yes. Any idea? See
No.
anything? Let me rerun again. Maybe I think okay, here we removed. I think wait. Payment setter also we commented. It's not a matter, man. What it trying to do? It is just trying to add. That's it. Nah? Oh ho.
You have written twice.
No. You didn't understand. See, let me undo. the, I'm not taking help of this one, and just only their changes. See now, payment is there.
Mm-hmm.
You need to add na.
Okay.
Got it na?
Constructor with
Uh-huh.
parameter.
Then only it will assign na. How it will assign this one?
Yeah.
That's why
Yeah.
null
Yeah.
is coming. Got it na? That's why I'm saying maybe.
Yeah.
Let's run it now. See, it's came.
Yeah.
Payment through card.
Yeah.
We can change here. Payment through UPI as well. So where it was app controller. Correct.
Hmm.
So these two way we can do it. One is dependent injection. One is based on constructor. Till now XML approach. Don't go for beyond.
Mm-hmm.
There is lot of things as well. But in XML, acha. Now one more question came in my mind. Now what if I open both? Na? This I am opening as
Okay.
well as I am opening this as well. And both I am passing card pay. Now you tell me which should call and why it will call. Let me print it here as well. We can say app controller init with setter,
Hmm.
app controller init with
Constructor.
now you tell me what should call and why should call, and this is the interview question. You tell me. Both I am using. Let's run it. We'll
I
see.
think
Let's
it will have
error will come or what or anything.
error will come. Error will come.
Okay, let's run it now. What is printing?
It is printing both.
But priority is what?
Constructor.
Hmm.
No, but constructor is written upstairs. Maybe in the code.
Huh?
Write constructor down and let's try.
Okay, you're saying. Okay, yeah. Valid point. Okay, like this, nah?
Yeah.
Okay. What's coming?
Constructor is coming first.
Now you sure,
First
na?
constructor. Yeah. Constructor is
Priority.
is in priority compared to the setter
This is
method.
interview question and keep remember.
Okay, I'll remember. Even I don't know about this.
No, people.
I was just knowing.
People know about the working. Okay.
Hmm.
People know about the working. There is no doubt. Working can be done by ChatGPT as well nowadays. But
Mm-hmm.
what is struck? Struck is like architecture.
Right.
Struck is like understanding the system.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That is the challenging. So now you are understanding the flow. You are understanding the connecting the dots. You are not just
Right.
starting implementing.
Okay.
Na? Now we just saw only XML approach. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
And here if you see, we are doing pure XML based on directly here. Property, constructor and all. Correct na?
Mm-hmm.
There is one more way of doing it.
Approach.
Auto-wired. Nah. Auto-wired.
Auto-wired.
Auto-wired. That is auto-wired is there in Spring as in core as well.
Spring Boot.
No, again Spring Boot.
No, it's in Spring Boot also, but you are telling about that it's in core Spring also, right?
It is coming from the core only. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm just removing all these two. Correct? Auto-wired. Okay. See, auto-wired is coming by these many type. By name, by type, by constructor, by all. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
No means don't want leave it. Name means I'll tell. Type means let's go with the type first. By type, where we can see the error. First we approach the error. Type. Okay.
Okay.
I am saying by type. Now you tell me this app controller is there. We are saying auto-wired. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
and it is type of
Payment.
payment. And now you tell me, in our this project, how many class that hold the object of the payment? I am not talking about the concrete class. I am talking about the again listen my question. I am talking about the how many class that hold the reference for this payment interface.
Uh, 2.
Exactly. Good. Now let's run it. Error came. What is error? What is coming?
I think you have written auto wide spelling miss.
Auto spelling miss. No, yeah.
Auto wired, WIRED.
No. Auto. This
Auto wire.
XML. XML will take like this only.
Okay.
Okay. So here we'll do. See, no default constructor is found. Correct? It is
Yeah,
not.
no difference.
It is not able to find the constructor. So what we do? We say
By type means in the sense. By type means in the sense.
yeah. By type means the you may say the parent class. You may say. Okay. So the parent class for here payment. The payment means type means payment. For now, you see this is the I payment type. Okay. Confusion?
No.
Here I payment type. So I payment type we have two references. One is card, one is UPI.
Yeah.
Nah? First let it make it false. Then run it. Then we say it. Why still issue? App controller class path. Where? Here. UPI done. Okay. Let me remove this UPI card. App controller, auto app type. It should work with the type first, man. But type should be work. What's the issue here? Main. Am I missing anything again? App init is not there. Init is okay. Now let's run it. I think this was the issue. Still not. Unsatisfied property name payment. No qualifying bean for the payment. Expecting match. Now you see. That I wanted to show you. Came na? See. Expected single matching but found
2. UPI and card.
Correct? So how we handle this?
So one need to be commented.
Not commented. How we comment every time? I'm just avoiding. Yeah. You don't fall under auto wiring. So card payment won't be there auto wiring. Every time will be UPI pay. See, UPI pay.
Okay.
If I make it auto wire them by default, then which one should come?
Card pay. What does candidate stand for?
Where candidate?
Yeah, we are writing na candidate. Auto wire is okay.
Yeah, auto wire. See, just a name. Auto
It's
means you want participate. It means.
Okay, you don't want to participate in
This
that.
bean
Okay, fine,
just a name candidate. It means I'm saying this bean want participate in a auto wiring.
Okay, please explain about the auto wire type. Like by type.
Yeah, we'll do practically as well. Don't worry, we'll do practically as well.
Okay.
By type, you understood?
Yeah.
And here there is one way as well, default, or something was there by default. I think, let me see, something was there. Not this. Okay, see, by type is there. Okay, primary we can make it. Okay, one other way is
So
also
primary,
there. Primary, and what is that? I'm just forgetting name. What it names? Qualifier. You know na? In Spring Boot we are having primary and qualifier. Correct? I'll
yeah.
explain you. Don't worry. Once that come, we'll explain. But for now, you understand. Primary means I am making. If you find 2, 3, 4, 5, does not matter. Don't throw error. They directly inject this one, card payment. That is I am making it primary.
Primary equal to false. No, true.
Sorry. Correct na?
Mm-hmm.
Let's run it now. True.
Okay.
Card.
Got your point.
Correct na?
Mm-hmm.
Now we are not doing participate and not participate. Now let's come to this type. First one by type, second one by name. Okay, and here we need to pass our name. Here we need to pass the name as well. See, I think, see, bean we created. Okay, by the name, by name.
Okay.
By name I created a bean browser pay here. The name given, that name I am passing here by name. Let's create by id this one, by name, again null. Okay, why it is there? Am I doing anything wrong? Okay, we need to, okay, again it's like this, by type, that is fine. Okay, by name, payment. Oh, you got it? You got it?
No.
No. See, I'll tell you. See, what is our property name here? Where it is? Where it is? What is our property name is here?
Payment.
Same name we need to make there. That is meaning of the by name.
Okay, fine. Got your point.
If I make it here, it will be that. No, don't believe. Run it. We'll see the error comes. Got it na? Error
Yeah.
not comes. Got it na? By name.
Yeah.
And what is there as well? By name, by type, by. Okay, that too only. No man.
So,
Auto add. By. Okay. We had constructor base as well. Where it is? By name, by type, then okay. Okay, chalo, fine. Here it is not there. Constructor base, so directly we see there. Okay, fine. So till here you understood? Any questions so far?
no.
Huh?
No.
You got something new, you got something confusion, you got something clarity?
No, I need to revise once
Okay. Okay.
and then I'll be good.
Okay. So again, we'll now, till now, we are completely relying on XML based.
Okay.
But XML based configuration as well here. See, there is difference. Where it is? XML based configuration. We are loading application based XML based configuration. We are loading. Correct? But here we are creating bean, dependency injection, everything we are doing by the XML approach only.
Okay.
Now I am commenting this and move back to annotation based. So here if you see annotation there, na?
Yeah.
So we need to add our annotation. Annotation based. Now we can use. Can it throw error? Now we see all of beans and everything. Okay, for now what I do, I'll do one thing, otherwise it will throw error. For now I'm just commenting these all. Correct? Here any issue? No. No. Fine. Let's add the, since we are using annotation, we need to use annotation to creating beans. At the rate controller, sorry,
Controller.
not controller, component. I'm using component, na? Controller not using, component for the web. I'm using component. Payment, not, I'm not needed this one. Acha, only one class is there, na? Okay, fine. Let me see it. Let me open the initializer for this. And this commenting for now, to let it run everything, annotation based. Okay. See, I did not do anything. I just cleaned the application.
Yeah.
Nah? I am not depending on any payment now. I am just simply running this class to see
Okay.
with help of this one, which is saw in beginning. In beginning, this one only saw. Then we switch to XML here. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
Again, we need to come back here because our journey should be start from the annotation only.
Okay.
Nah? Now I am just running it. Where it is? App control. App control by main. Initialized? Initialized na?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now let's open our everything. Open. All good. Here we need to add payment equal to this. Correct na? All good.
Both are same.
Yeah, both are same. Yeah, setter. It's just parameter we are passing to setting.
Yeah, set.
Here
Yeah.
from setter, here from constructor. Right na?
Right.
I think I did mistake or what? Setter should not be here. Huh? No, right na?
Right.
Correct na? Okay, let's move on.
Yeah.
Where? Okay, now. Okay, now. What we were learning? I just forget now. Okay. Now see, controller we initialized. Right na? Now annotation based we need to understand the auto wire. How we can do annotation based dependency injection.
Okay.
Got it na? IOC, annotation based IOC we saw, and annotation and bean based IOC also we saw. Correct na?
Yeah.
Now where? Okay. Card payment. If I do component, this will initialize. Right na? We can create its init as well. I mean, constructor as well. Not right. Public card payment. Assault. And here also I am copying same, changing the constructor, changing the name. Fine? Correct? Till here any confusion?
No.
I'm just added constructor. Okay, nothing else. Now card payment. We added component. Correct? And where UPI payment we need to add component. What is component in this all we'll understand, don't be worried. For now this is the way to create a bean.
Okay.
So don't be worried now. I'm just trying to create how the dependency injection, how the IOC, how they are in real life, which I'm just showing you now. Today class was the completely code based na?
Yeah.
How it was done earlier?
Yeah.
Earlier you were worried, na?
Yeah.
Don't worry, man. Don't worry. Till I am here, don't worry. Okay, let's run it. Okay. Okay. Now all good, all good. iPayment. Okay, app controller. Here we have set payment as well, constructor as well, this as well. Correct?
Okay.
For
Okay.
now, I am commenting everything. So dependency injection, we know about at the rate.
Auto I.
See, dependency injection happens based on three things.
Okay.
First one, property based. Second one, setter based. Third one,
Constructor base.
constructor based. Correct? These three dependency injection. What we are doing here? Property based. Right now?
Yeah, property. Yeah, property base.
Now everything is up to there in our controller. Everything is up to there. Correct? Let me comment this. Unnecessary why you are here. Let's run it. Will you now? You tell me. It run or throw error?
Found 2.
Why two? What bean? But what bean we are expecting actually here? What bean we are expecting here? What kind of bean?
Anyone.
Anyone means? No. That is fine. What type of bean we are expecting here?
Payment.
iPayment.
iPayment.
iPayment. Correct?
Hmm.
And that is we are holding two types.
Yeah, 2 types, card and UPI.
Correct? Card and UPI. Okay? So there you saw in configuration, we were writing at the rate primary. Remember?
Yeah.
In XML we are writing a primary. Same way we can apply here as well. Suppose in my card payment I want, does not matter how many bills, I want this to be injects. What I do? Primary. Now if I run
Okay.
it, there is no issue.
Let's say if we want both, then
I'll tell. Okay? Payment through card. Okay? By default.
Mhm.
I did not do
Mhm.
which to be injected. I just added annotation. Card. If I
Yeah,
add the
yeah.
same annotation to UPI, primary, card, removing. UPI I added now. Let's see now. Came?
Mhm. Let's say if I want both.
Yeah, I'll tell. Don't worry. Keep patience. We'll come there. Okay, so card payment at the rate primary, one way to separate. Okay? Clear na?
No, for everyone means every time we say if UPI is primary, so UPI will come. If card is primary, then card will come. If both will.
Yeah. That wait. That's now I'm coming on that point. Till now it's
Okay.
clear na. Ki
Yeah, it's clear.
one way to separate our dependency injection to our component
Yeah.
based on primary at the rate primary.
Okay.
Till here is clear.
Yes.
Now I am removing primary. Okay. Now I am holding two bills. One is card payment, one is UPI.
Card. Yeah.
We can give the name. Card pay. Here we can give the name UPI pay. Okay.
Okay.
Now I go here. I implement at the rate qualifier. Which one you want? You tell me. iPayment want, card payment want, give the name to card payment. Let's run it. Payment through?
Card.
Now if I want, where is the payment? UPI. If you want UPI, I change it here, controller. Now the qualifier came in the picture. Understood?
Okay.
Understood? UPI.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Any confusion so far?
No.
Correct na? Understood?
Yeah. And what if we want both?
Yeah, both is available. Both is available. In some scenario, see, in some scenario you can access na. Both is available. Both bin is ready. What
But
you
we are qualifying and giving name under qualifier string. We are giving UPIs and card one by one. But I want that if I take both, so we have to take two qualifier in that case.
two qualifier. No, not two qualifier. Not two qualifier. Why two qualifier? See, both bin is ready. Correct? Whichever
Yes.
name you just give it, it will give you.
No, I want both beans together.
Both bins together. Yeah, that can do, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. So suppose I'm just coming here. So what I do, I think your question is like this. Let me do it. 1 second. So I need to make public. Public, correct. Okay, I'm just created one bean here,
Mm-hmm.
and if I go to my controller, where is controller? Controller. Okay, let's create card payment. Okay, card payment
Okay.
equal to context dot get bean. Okay,
Okay.
we can give bean by name, by class,
Okay.
by name.
By class.
What is the bean? What is the name we given? Card pay.
I card pay.
We given a card pay. Okay, and the type is
Okay.
card payment dot class. Correct?
Yeah, correct.
I am asking another, that is UPI pay, and giving its name. What is name? UPI. Come to here. Update UPI payment. Okay. Now I am
Okay.
calling. Now I am going to call two different method.
Okay.
Here I am doing S out. This is for what? UPI, suppose.
Okay.
And here I am printing. Here it will print by default, so that is fine. So now controller dot payment, we can give it card payment. Okay.
Okay.
Now here controller dot payment, what is that? UPI payment. Got it?
Okay.
Let's try now. What is printing? For UPI, for card. This is initializer.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Now bean is ready. Based on the qualifier, you can separate. And why we did separate here? You understood? What we did here, what we did there. You understood? Here we are dynamically setting up. Okay?
Okay.
Here we are dynamically setting up. But there we are having static dependency.
Okay.
If nothing will be set, here it means if nothing will be set, you set this one.
Okay.
Here we are saying I am setting. Even suppose I don't set anything, so by default what call?
The qualifier will call.
Exactly. UPI call. You got the differences?
But there is no annotation which calls more than one uh, class.
More than one class means no, this is the only way.
Class function.
Class function. No, this is the only way. This is the only way.
Here we are creating two controller.
And I'll make you one more I'll make you matlab, I'll make you more confused.
Here,
You tell.
no. Here you are creating an object of controller and then calling through with function pay, which is in the interface, right? So instead of calling with the help of, I mean to say, we are calling controller twice.
Controller twice.
We are calling pay method twice. I mean to say.
Okay. So see, suppose you need two different type of payment. Obviously, you will call to
Okay.
different type of pay.
Okay.
Got the requirement, na?
So yeah, I got this point, but I just want to ask you that is there any annotation through which we can get both the both the function without like qualifier is giving us one like payment through card or payment through UPI. But if I want, is there any annotation through which we can get both payment through card and payment through UPI?
See, if this happens, na, people will get confused.
Okay.
See, suppose in any application we don't have only one beans. We have by same
Okay.
interface we have multiple beans, 10 beans, 20 beans. So if you
Okay.
call, how you do separate?
So you mean to say that in a application we call one bean only one time?
No. Why one bean?
I want to call the bean dynamically. I mean,
You want card payment again as well?
yeah.
You can do
first, but we are doing not in this case through annotation. I mean to say.
Annotation.
Yeah, go to the app controller class.
Okay, app controller.
Yeah, here we are giving @qualifier UPI. So is there any annotation which call UPI and card together? I mean to say like that.
See, suppose
This is my question.
I understood. Suppose if you can you show me what's the purpose of this? Because if you call together, how you call together?
Yeah.
How you call together? Means you want
Yeah,
here comma separate something?
Is it feasible? I mean to say.
No.
I just want to know.
No. Don't
Because
get confused.
doing a payment, you require only one mode of payment, isn't it? You will get the option to do payment through n number of mode. But
okay.
at the end, you have to choose one mode only,
Okay.
isn't it, to do the payment, right? For that purpose, what you did is correct. I mean to say.
Okay.
Yeah. So. My question is logically correct or not? Just want to know this.
No. Don't. Logically, it's not correct. You cannot.
Okay, no problem.
You cannot do like this. Nah? Don't get confused.
Okay.
You cannot do like
Okay.
this. Okay, let's go now. What I was showing you, I'll make you more thinking about this one. See, now what I'm going to do. Any issue?
What was earlier?
Earlier concrete class.
Okay. Yeah, no issue.
No issue?
No issue.
Output came?
Yeah.
Now see. Now issue?
Yeah.
Issue?
No issue.
Why no issue? Issue should be there.
Interface.
Are?
It's the beauty of interface.
No. It did not understand. It's not.
Then?
Are? It did not understand beauty. It did not understand about the interface. It is not related with the interface. See what kind of object I am getting.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay, sorry. How's that now?
Yeah, now it's fine.
Okay, so I'm just saying what kind of object I am getting here.
Yeah, you are having an object of card payment.
Okay, how you say? Let me do it like this: P1, P2, P1. Now you tell me.
You are getting an object of interface iPayment.
Exactly.
But if you are doing iPayment dot class, but it is not a class. It is an interface.
Let's do that one as well. iPayment, not iPayment, payment, P1 dot hash code. What do you say? What do we do? Get class. Right? This you want to check. Let's check. What is coming?
Card payment.
Why? My question is why? In real life scenario, have you seen without Spring anywhere? Right side, I am not saying right side is iPayment. Here I am saying right side is iPayment. Generally what we do, right side, which object you want to make, that you say.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
But here I am saying as well, I need iPayment. iPayment is interface.
Yeah, it's an interface.
Ah. You know why? What's segregating it?
Mm-hmm.
Name a bean. See what
Okay.
name I given.
Okay. Yeah, got your point.
Right, na?
Yeah.
See, Spring is very beautiful, man. People make it like just do it, karo jao. It's not like one stack or it's not like anything else. Spring is beyond of.
So if you change the card pay, for example, then it will not work, right?
Huh? Sorry?
Random value. Card pay 1. Just give card pay 1.
Ah, it won't
Will
work.
it work?
Correct, it won't work. Right.
It will work, right?
Ah. Got it,
Now I'm
everything?
learning little bit.
Learning little bit. Now you are saying learning little bit, huh? You are working in Spring. You will see.
Okay, anyways.
It's part of learning. Don't worry. Spring is like very beautiful, yeah. People like I actually I hate when people say na ki Java will be dead and several things, and then they actually mess up things. Yeah, how can you think like such a what a beauty, man. In my company actually. Okay, let's wrap the session today now till here only. Okay, let me. Acha, one more thing we just left actually, but I'll tell you later. I just
Okay, tell me one thing. Will Teams, if we connect through Teams, is it
Okay.
fine? Because we can get a